everybody, today it's Ryan and JB's channel here, and today we are playing this game. I don't even know it because I just went straight into this game and found 4 new update cars, and I'm using the third one. Mine is actually the first brand new one, because the first brand new one is the Evolution Lancer. Yeah, Evolution Lancer, yes. And the Evolution Lancer is actually my favorite car because it's made Mitsubishi. It's my favorite. Mitsubishi, my favorite. Today we're heading to the airport, but I'm finally in the airport thanks to the teleporter. And actually I was from the HQ. If you want to see that, go in part 1. But actually, you didn't see part 1, am I right? So this is actually part 1, I forgot. I can't even ride on these planes because they're actually fake. And I hate the way it's fake. My brother chose me to be a douchebag. So weird, brother. My brother is so weird. He just wanted me to be a douchebag. What a doof. Actually, I'm gonna leave my car a little bit because I'm going to the world. If you haven't seen my other videos, go check out them. Because those other videos, they might see me being the douchebag. I don't watch my own videos. I watch other people's videos. So check out my other videos, and new sling bags are coming out in the description below. So if you want it, wait until December, because December is the day you're gonna get it. Oh, come on, get in the fort. How do I have superpowers? Never even. Ew, that's inside my car. Even he put taxi sign on my car. Let's go in. Hey, go. Oh yeah, that's just the hood. Boom. Whoa, that's weird. I'm in the back seat. Actually, this is a Ford van. Because this is the van I had in real life. If you want to check it out, I'll buy another one of these vans and do it for a giveaway. So if you want it, get the prizes first. This Ford van and the Evolution Lancer will be free in the description even December. So, I'm going back to my garage. Bye. What? I'm making my video.
You're done?
Not yet. Oh. Oh yeah, this is my garage. So this is actually my big boy. Bye guys. I'll make a part 2. Not yet done. Just kidding. That's my brother. You are requesting. Have you ever used the Toyota Hilux? Hey, Toyota Hilux. The Toyota Hilux. And actually, this is the old version. I hate the brand new version because look, 1 seat. So I'm not doing that. I'll show you the Evolution Pro. Bam. Damn, son. Where'd you find this? That's my brother. go in the description if you wanna see another card that I wanna use. So that's the one I use. They made it poop. My favorite car are these two vans. Me too. My favorite is the Toyota Vios. Well, I'm actually sick. What car should I use? You said Evolution Pro. Let's use the Evolution Pro and then after we'll go to the last time when I went to this game, I thought that's the Evolution Pro, that one. But this is the Evolution Pro. I mean, Evolution Lancer. I always forgot because I'm sick. Let's go play in. Wait. Hey, it's Markiplier's mustache. Womp, womp, womp. So actually, there's connection. Which do you want? Actually, you always say single player, so single player. Actually, I'm gonna end this video because my dad always says it's too long. I'll do the evolution tomorrow. So bye. Peace out.